Sully. Interview time. Where are we? Yeah, I don't expect you to know how to say that because I don't even know how to say that. What do they serve here? Food?
Japanese.
Do they serve food?
Yeah.
Japanese and Chinese food.
Yeah.
Right? Hi, Grandpa.
I guess.
So look, there's a drum. Oh, they got fish in the floor. Sully, what are we here for?
Grandma's birthday.
Happy birthday, dear Connie. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
If you enjoyed your visit, please be.
Just one time. Frame. Sully, where are we?
We're at Kroger.
Yeah. You looking at the candy in Kroger?
Yeah.
Yo, should we disappear into a different? Should,
Alright.
the heck? Dude, I don't want. What does it say? The perfect man is chocolate. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put that part in, but you know, maybe. You know. Look. A staff. Here. And then I gotta get me one. Sully, you got them things? I don't even know what those are called. Oh, there's a pole. Oh yeah. So aggressive. You got regular glasses, so you're fine. I had to put on these Iron Man ones. I don't know if they can see. Sully,
Yeah?
I think we're watching the same movie as Grandma and Mom.
Yeah, I think so.
Dude, it's such a good movie.
Yeah.
My favorite.
It
getting
happens.
very intense right now.
Dude, every
It
time.
happens every
Dude,
minute.
the only thing that ever changes is the time. Yo, yeah, what would you rate this movie? Bro, hey, come back. This is so rude. You're not even answering me. What is this?
That guy's
Dude, he's just driving away. Dude, this is a good movie. You're not. Wow. Guys, that guy didn't even
pushing buttons.
see that movie was. This movie's so good that he didn't even have the words to describe how good it is. That's just why he drove away. The facts, right, Sully?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jim! Jimette, Jim.
This is Dakota. This is Amber.
This is Jim and that's Jimette over there. Jim. Jim.
This is the boy. This is
What's up, Jim? Jim. 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 Mom, Jim's coming for you. How do I know which one's Jim and which one's Jimette? I just know that's their names.
One's like.
Can you figure out how to shut it off?
Shut up! Gosh.
You've been trying for like 10 minutes.
Quit!